Fredrickson alongside Wyatt Brooks in the 25. 38, Jordan DeVoy. 5, John Beale. That's a pretty power-packed row number 3. Keep your eye on it. 108 laps under the beautiful sunshine here on Labor Day. The Cleaver Classic is underway. Braze and Bennett sneaking around the outside of lead lap number 1. Here comes Wyatt Brooks trying to slide into the second spot. Outside line working up front early on in this one. Fredrickson trying to dump it down low to the inside of Derek Van Driel. Leader is Bennett. Here's Beale sneaking around the high side. He'll go side by side with Ty Fredrickson. Watch this battle. It is on for the 4th spot with Jordan DeVoy right behind. Here's Beale starting to matriculate his way up toward the 4th spot on that high line. Van Driel still there in that 3rd spot now, and that may soon turn to 4th because Beale is working. That 5 car is hooked up on the top side. Fredrickson might try to follow him up there. DeVoy looks like he may be stuck down on the inside. There goes Beale around the outside of the 5. He will take the 3rd spot away. Fredrickson trying to venture up there as well. This race taking shape early on. A former Rookie of the Year of the Tundra Super Late Model Series. Did that back in 2015. It's been a little while. Brazen looking good up there. Wyatt Brooks, he's a former Tundra winner. Won back in 2017 at Jefferson. Another driver with his only win at Jefferson, John Beale. He took a victory, I believe it was 2018. Would love to get that done here today at Golden Sands Speedway. Then Fredrickson in 4th. 5th spot might be up for grabs soon. Jordan DeVoy trying to get past the 93 as they roll down the backstretch. Here comes DeVoy ducking down to the inside. Meanwhile, keep your eye on our fast qualifier, Jeremy Leapak. Slipping around the outside of the 12 car. Leapak closing it on the top 5 spot. Back up front. Battle is for second though. It's Beale. Ducking down to the inside. He will take second away from Wyatt Brooks. Beale the second here with 92 to go. .54 and 54 to go. Halfway this time off. Beale negotiating lap traffic, but he's starting to get chased down here by Ty Fredrickson. Fredrickson has spaced himself from DeVoy, and he is starting to catch Beale. Continuing to show the way, but his lead is down to a car length over Ty Fredrickson. Getting ready to start knocking on the door and asking some questions of our leader. Fredrickson will not relent. He wants to hold the spot. DeVoy charging on the outside. He doesn't have a lot of real estate out there. Look out as Race Hayes is off the pace in front of the leaders. Trouble for the 0-2. Will he be able to get clear? He's trying. We're going to see if we can keep this green. And it looks like we will. Race Hayes able to get off of the racetrack. Yellow, we've got one spun out of the turn. Spin out of turn for the 93, and that brings out the caution with 22 to go. All right, so we just need to get the 4 of Cody Vanderloo behind the 76 of Travis Fulm, and then your lineup is going to be set here. 1 to go at the line this time. Can John Beale hold on and pick up the victory that has seemed to elude him here at Golden Sands Speedway, a Tundra victory? Ty Fredrickson win for the second time in 3 starts here. Devoy looking good. Jeremy Lepak looking good. As we get ready to go, 23 still remain. They refire, and we are back to green. Beale trying to fend off Fredrickson. He does. Good news for Fredrickson, though, as he can tuck it right back in line behind Beale. Fredrickson trying to open up the inside line, and he will. Let's see if Beale gives him the business back. Right back to the inside for John Beale. Gloves coming off in the battle for the lead spot. Meanwhile, Brock Heinrich starting to creep around the outside. 20 to go, lap 88. Watch Brock Heinrich on the way. Oh, Fredrickson wants to get back in line here in front of Devoy. He will. Oh, some contact there. Beale going to guard the inside line. That opens things up for Lepak. It's getting physical up front now with 18 to go. I'll tell you who might be in the best spot. It could be Jeremy Lepak on that outside line while everybody's jockeying for position on the inside. He's going to roll the outside. Here comes Lepak. Lepak says, y'all have fun down there. This outside line's working just fine for me. Jeremy Lepak looking to nose ahead to second. Oh, Beale's got to be careful here as Lepak looks to the outside line. Beale does have Fredrickson right behind as well, and here comes Lepak to the outside of the lead. Jeremy Lepak rolling the top side of the 40. Can he get it done? Beale trying to fight him off. Almost even as they roll out of the backstretch. Lepak ahead slightly. Beale fights back. Nose ahead for Lepak, taking the lead with 13 to go. Lepak cruising the outside line from 13th, looking for the victory here. Lepak sealed off the top spot. Beale says not so fast, my friend, on the lead course. So as he wants back to the inside line, he's not going to let Lepak get away. Furious racing up front as we come back to the line here for lap number 98. Lap 98, 10 laps remaining in the Cleaver Classic. Lepak looking to escape, and he might have done it. Let's see if he can seal off the inside line. Jeremy Lepak. He's got it. So Lepak takes the lead. Beale back to second. Fredrickson third. But do not count out John Beale. We know he's got a quick race car. And he still has the opportunity to take this one away as we've gone across the line for lap number 100. 101 this time. 7 to go. Battle goes back on between Fredrickson and Jordan. Devoy, a little contact there. Devoy will let Fredrickson straighten it out. Good save by Fredrickson. Heinrich trying to climb the ladder there for the 4th spot. 52 car. What a run he's had. He came from deep in the field as well. Jeremy Lepak trying to distance himself over John Beale. The top two have gotten away. It looks like it will come down to Lepak and Beale here over the final handful of circuits. Beale has not let Lepak stretch this one out. Not at all. This one's still in question. Devoy still looking for a way around Ty Fredrickson. Hasn't been able to do that just yet as they come back to the line for 105. 3 to go. Beale right there putting the pressure on Jeremy Lepak. If John Beale's going to make his move, he needs to do it soon. because he is running out of opportunity. We know he's got a fast enough race car to do it. Here comes the boy trying to go to the inside of the 36, but we turn our attention back to the battle up front because Beale still is within striking distance. As the white flag comes out, it's one to go. Lead back up and a seal off the bottom. Nice launch off of the turn, side by side for third. Beale, one final chance through 3 and 4. From fast time to the win, Jeremy Leapak takes the Cleaver Classic. Winner of the 2025 Cleaver Classic is Jeremy Leapak. All right, Jeremy, wow, outside lane, 13th to the win. I know before we had that yellow, you were hanging back there. Did you think it was going to happen?
Man, I didn't think so. You know, I went up top and I had a deal with Brazen that he was going to let me back in because I didn't know, had a lot of stuff on the tires when we fired off, and I had nothing up there, like nothing. And was able to get back to the bottom, got stuff cleaned up, and it just so happened when they jockeyed on the front, I just ended up there, and man, the grip was back, and I was able to run up there on those guys. And just want to thank John, man. What an awesome race. That was a very respectful race. It's hard to find these days. That was a blast. Whether I finished second or not, that was a blast.